Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to enable Google Find My Device. So first thing, just simply go for the settings on your device, and after that just simply scroll down and go for the Google. And now from here just simply select Find My Device over here and select download. And now just simply install this one and just simply open the application. Just simply continue with your Google account and just simply sign in. And after that, just simply select accept. From here, just simply select this one, use the Find My Device network. And now from here, you should be able to find your offline device, and you will have here multiple options like without network, with network in high traffic areas only, and with network in all areas. So pretty much this will be depending on your own personal preferences. And after that, from here, just simply select your device, go for Find My Device over here, and just make sure to enable use Find My Device over here and make sure it is turned on, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.